Welcome to Yellowhead Helicopters Safety Information Presentation. This short video will help ensure a safe and comfortable flight. We appreciate your attention. Please ensure that you dress for changing weather, as conditions can change quickly. Be advised that helicopter flights may be delayed or diverted at any time because of sudden changes in the weather. Please make sure your mobile phone is set to airplane mode or that your cellular connection is disabled during flight. There is no smoking or e-cigarettes permitted within a 20-meter radius of the helicopter. Proper loading of the aircraft is very important, and all baggage and cargo will be weighed and measured for proper load limits and weight distribution. You must declare all combustible and hazardous materials before your flight, including gasoline, camp fuels, flare guns, and bear spray, which must be transported in a puncture-resistant travel container. Always approach the aircraft from the front and wait for the pilot's signal before you proceed, whether the helicopter is operating or not. Ensure the outside basket is latched and secure before boarding. You will be given instructions in advance during your pre-flight orientation on how to operate door handles and latches on the specific models of helicopters. The pilot will make sure cargo holds and other latches are secured prior to flight. After boarding the aircraft, please ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened. The pilot will demonstrate how to latch and release specific seatbelts for different models of helicopters. Hearing protection or in-flight communication headsets will be provided. When departing the aircraft, make sure there are no loose items. Latch the door and remove cargo as required. Make sure the basket is closed and latches are secure. Maintain a low crouched position and exit towards the front of the helicopter. When landing on sloping terrain and exiting the aircraft, be sure to secure the door latch, unload the basket if needed, and stay beside the helicopter. Do not walk uphill and maintain a crouch position and wait for the helicopter to depart. Never approach or exit the aircraft from the rear or walk under the tail boom. Stay clear of the tail rotor at all times. During the flight, if you spot other aircraft close by, please communicate that to your pilot. Never put your hands out the window when in the air or on the ground. Do not lean on windows inside the aircraft as they are designated emergency exits. And please maintain radio silence during arrivals and departures to minimize distractions to the pilot. Please familiarize yourself with the safety information card. Air sickness bags are also provided. All helicopters are equipped with a fire extinguisher, seatbelt cutters, survival kits, first aid kits, and ELTs. Prior to departure, your pilot will show you all exits in the event of an emergency, including windows and doors, and the procedure for the emergency door release. Follow the instructions of your pilot. Remain calm and exit the aircraft in a timely manner. Thank you for your attention. At Yellowhead Helicopters, we're committed to safety, efficiency, and service. Our commitment is your advantage.